Andrea again with Beats by Britain, and I wanted to go over, in response to a question on Facebook about how to use Smart Tempo to create a beat from pre-recorded audio. I just wanted to go and kind of show you how I do it using Smart Tempo. I just have always used Smart Tempo, and I find it very, very easy to do. So I just go Open Logic and New File. It's an audio track with no input. Click on Create. Change my tempo setting to Adapt. And it gives me a global tempo track. And that's fine, don't have to change anything. Go here to your music source. And I have to be careful, I'm not sure. This is a concert that I recorded. I'm not exactly sure if this is going to drag over there or not. Yeah, it does. Okay. Got to be careful when you're dragging audio files into Logic. Make sure you're not trying to use something that's protected. So you drag it over. Logic automatically gives you the tempo map. And I want to edit the downbeat and tempo. I definitely do. So click on Show. I want to drag the audio file over to bar 1. And then I know that this first probably 4, maybe even 5 bars is a verbal introduction. So let's play it.
All right, we're going to let our guitar player, Patrick, sing this song.
And
it's
find
about
out where
the
the
first woman in
downbeat is.
space, and no, it's not Sally Ride.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's more
Ready.
than that. Got to find the downbeat. And there it is. Okay. So, where the playhead is, down here, that's the downbeat. You just add the downbeat hit right there. Okay. Now, if I wanted to chop this and get rid of this audio, I could. So, to get rid of the verbal. So, it's Command T. Delete that. I don't want to hear all that. Okay. Move this back to the beginning. Okay. And there's my new tempo map. Okay. I'm not going to play any more of it because out of respect to the artist, it would be a copyright hit if I did. But anyway, so that would be like my reference track. Okay. Now, if I don't want to include this audio file, like say for example, you had asked about the tempo being around 160. This is pretty close to it. Okay. If I want to build a beat, I don't want to use this song to do it. I want to build the beat. I don't need Adapt Tempo anymore. So I've already got the tempo map here. All I got to do is change this to keep project tempo. And then delete this. And I can add a session player, like drummer. Let's do that, okay? Now this is not really a trap beat, but you're going to get the idea in a minute. I want to turn the metronome on. And drummer is now following the new tempo map. And that's all I do. So from here on out, anything else I want to record using this tempo map from the recorded audio, I can just add. I can, add a whatever loop or bass player. Let's say add a bass player. This is going to sound weird. But the bass player and the drummer play in time with this tempo track. And so that's all I do when I'm creating a beat. That's it. It really is that simple. And that's it. So, yeah, that's all.